What is up, guys? RedPandaMining. How are y'all doing? Oh, today's a good day. I'm at my second mining location. Just a beautiful sight. I love looking at this, guys. Alright, so today, guys, I want to show you. I got a special package from good old Nefarious Fool. He sent me a few things, and I'm going to open it up for you guys. Special package. I'm super excited. Yeah, go check him out, guys. Nefarious Fool. He has his own YouTube channel, and he does streams and videos as well. I'll have him linked down below. Go check him out. But he sent me a few things that was also initially from Digital Gold. Good old Jared. If you guys don't know him, he is another YouTuber. He had a massive farm. You guys can check him out. I have him linked down below. But anyways, let's get started on this unboxing, guys. Alright, so, Nefarious. He sent me 2 notepads. I don't see any words written on here. I don't see any private keys or like seed keys or anything. So I'm kind of sad about that. But thanks, Nefarious. I could use these notepads. I'll definitely use them. Thanks, man. Okay, next up we got, what is this? Oh, he sent me a, what do you call this? A power board? No, what is this? This is like a breakout board. This is for a server power supply or something, I think. Yeah, that's cool. Nefarious, that's cool, man. Thank you. Okay, oh, he sent me another one, so looks like I'll have 2 of those. Okay, next up, he sent me a, what is this? Let's open it up here. I can't do it with one hand, but I think that's a, that's a M.2. That's a M.2 to PCIe riser. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. And it's a white one too. I've never seen a white one before. That's cool. Nefarious, thanks, man. And you sent me another one. So I got 2 of those. Oh, you sent me another one. I got 3 of those. That's awesome. What else we got here? Oh, I think these are the cables for the breakout board. So these are PCIe to PCIe. So these end goes into the breakout boards here, and then these end go into the GPUs, into the video cards. That's awesome. This is awesome. This is one of the first times I'm actually playing around with these. So Nefarious, thanks, man. Okay, next up we got, this is the good stuff, guys. So this is the power supply. This is a server grade power supply, and I believe this goes to 240 volt. Let's take a look at the specs here. So this is a switching power supply, and here's the model. I believe this is 1200 watt PSU server power supply. And what do we got here? Okay, so there's 3 different ranges here. If we're running at 100 volt, we can only go up to 800 watts max. And then input, if we're going another 110 volt to 120 volt, we can only go to 900 watts. And then if we put it to 200 volt to 240, which we'll be doing because my PDU there is 240 volt already, we'll be able to run 1200 watt max. 1200 watts from this little guy. I can't believe it. That's so cool. Nefarious, that's so cool, man. Thank you. That's sick. Okay, so these breakout boards go like so into here, and then these cables will hook onto that. So that's pretty cool. Just uses a regular power cable. I would be using a 15 amp capable, at least 14 AWG. That's the gauge needed for a certain amperage on the power cable. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Nefarious. This is awesome. And thank you, Digital Gold, as well. Okay. Oh, he sent me another one. So I got 2 of them. Guys. This is all shrink wrapped already, so I'll leave that like so. And what else we got here? We still got more stuff here, guys. What's this? Oh, this is a power button for motherboard, I believe. Yeah, power SW. I'll leave that right there. Okay, and then lastly, just another set of PCIe cables. So this will be for the other breakout board that I got here. So 2 breakout boards, 2 power supplies, server power supplies, and 2 sets of 2 PCIe cables. So that's awesome. Nefarious, thanks, man. That's so cool. I've never played around with this before, so this will be a new learning experience for me. I do know about this kind of stuff, but I've never played around with this stuff before. So maybe I will switch these power supplies. I'll put these power supplies into this frame here. You guys probably know I made this Veta frame a while ago, and yeah, it's a pretty sick frame. I already got the 140 millimeter up here white LED fans already, and then as you guys can see, I put a 850 watt power supply. But you guys know I made a video about it earlier. I put the MSI board on here. It worked the first time, and then I plugged the fans in. The fans weren't working, and then I played around, and I don't know why, but then the motherboard stopped working and it didn't boot up anymore. So I've already returned the motherboard, the RAM, and the CPU to Amazon. So I'm just I haven't ordered a new motherboard and CPU and RAM yet, so I'm gonna redo all that. And then my next step is to find some video cards. Oh, so that'll be fun. As you guys know, I've been playing around with the Radeon 7, so that's my newest edition that I just purchased. So, but with this rig, this will be my next guy I'm gonna be playing around with. So I'm gonna have 8 video cards plugged up to this rig, and then I'll put these power supplies in that Nefarious Fool sent me graciously. Oh, thanks again, man. Am I able to plug these or hold these into this frame somehow? That's what I'm gonna figure out right now. Let's see if we put it like so. Is there holes or anything I can screw this thing in? Okay, there's no holes between here. Okay, looks like there's these screws. There's a screw right here and a screw right there, but looks like I'm only able to do it on this side here. Like so. Yeah, so I'm gonna... Oh no, that doesn't work. That does not work. Okay, what about here then? That doesn't work either. It kind of... Unless I take that screw out, then that screw will fit in. Okay. So that's a thing I could do, and then I can still access this plug on this side, as you guys can see. So that's cool. Okay, so I'll do that. I'll have that power supply on this side and another one on that side. I'll take out that 850 watt Corsair and I'll put these guys in. But I think I need to have a smaller power supply for the 24 pin. So that I'll need to figure out. I think Cursed Mining mentioned something about a Pico adapter. I don't know what that is. It's like a 24 pin, plus it has like one for SATA power as well, and this 8 pin CPU. It's like a little tiny thing that you can plug in with your server power supplies. So instead of having like a 400 watt, like a small power supply to hook up to your motherboard and CPU, then you just need this little Pico thing. So I'll think about that. And but anyways, guys, I think that's the end of the video. I want to thank again Mr. Nefarious Fool for sending me this care package. Oh, super awesome dude, sending me the power supplies, breakout cables, and the breakout boards for the power supplies, server grade PSUs, platinum efficiency. Just awesome, and these M.2 adapters that I will use maybe, but I'll keep those as spares for now. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Let me know what you think down in the comments. and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.